Good evening and welcome to MarineMax Danvers. My name is Dan Thompson and today we're going to be looking at Sea Ray's all-new 250 Sun Deck with the optional outboard power. This boat's equipped with a 250 horsepower lightweight V8. As we move forward, you get a beautiful stern seat that flips back and forth and slides forwards. Whether you're entertaining or swimming, it maximizes the space of the boat. This boat also has the optional digital dash. And unique for 25-foot bow rider, great little storage cuddy that's not over your head, but you can also get the conversion to turn it into a sleeper. With port side access to your bow, you maintain a beautiful bow rider with great bow seating and cooler. If you have questions about this boat or any boat in the MarineMax inventory, feel free to give myself a call, Dan Thompson, 978-375-1584. Thank you again, have a great night. I'll see you on the water.